We had Megan here. So for her, we did crystallized fans with handmade volume. So a lot of people would say that that's just a normal set, but honestly it is hybrid because you are using pre-made fans with handmade fans. For her mapping, we did a cat eye. We wanted to create the illusion of a smaller eye, make it a little more almond. And so that's why we went with cat eye. And then we stuck with a little bit shorter lengths as well. She didn't want them super long, so we went with shorter. Mixing crystallized fans with handmade volume is honestly something that's really smart to include in your lashing. If you run out of time or you have a client that needs to get in really fast and you're willing to make time for them, using pre-mades can really allow you to speed up your lashing time. I highly recommend using crystallized fans. You can still have your artistry with them. It just helps speed up your lashing.